Today we celebrate Saint Cecilia. Saint Cecilia is one of the first saints, no? Nung pong early church, no? Nung unang mga Kristiyano, karamihan ng mga santo ay martir. Sila ang mga unang santo, yung mga nag-alay ng buhay para sa pananampalataya, para kay Jesus, na natiling tapat kahit may persecution, kahit mahirap maging Kristiyano. At mukhang hindi na natin yan nararanasan, at least dito sa Pilipinas, sapagkat majority religion tayo. Pero pumunta ka sa China, pumunta ka sa Syria, pumunta ka sa Saudi, it is still difficult to be a Christian. And those were the first saints. At si Santa Cecilia ay patron. Patron ng mga singers, mga kumakanta. Yung mga magaling sa inyo sa videoke, no? Ito ang patron, si Santa Cecilia. Everything about music, musicians, instrumentalists. She is patron saint of music, singers. Why? Because in the account of her martyrdom, we are told that when Saint Cecilia was on her way to her death, she was heard to be singing with great joy and praise in her voice. She was heard to be singing on her way to martyrdom. At mukhang may kagalakan pa sa kanyang puso. Mahirap sa atin maintindihan yun, ano? Mamamatay ka na, masaya ka pa. Papatayin ka na, masaya ka pa. Now, my dear friends, this is difficult for us to understand because this joy does not come from the world. This joy, this kind of joy, only can come from God. Only can come from Jesus. That even in the face of difficulties, that even in the face of hardship, a true believer in God continues to see joy. Bakit? Because the joy that comes from God is a joy that comes from presence. The joy that comes from God does not depend on what happens to us. The joy that comes from God comes from the truth that God is with us. Yan ang kagalakang galing sa Diyos. Hindi dahil binigay sa atin yung hinihingi natin, hindi dahil nangyari ito sa atin, yung gusto natin dumating. Masaya lahat yun, oo. Pero ang mas malalim na saya na galing sa Diyos ay dahil kasama natin siya. And if that is the source of our joy, kahit na anong mangyari, masaya tayo. Kahit nahihirapan tayo, kahit may problema, kahit may pagsubok, pero dahil kasama natin ang Diyos, sapat na yun para hindi mawala ng pag-asa at patuloy na makatagpo ng dahilan para sa kagalakan. That is the joy, that is the mystery of Christian joy. That is not the joy that the world can give. Na? Pag dumating yung in-order natin sa Lazada, that's joy. Dumating yung Christmas bonus, that's joy. Pero January pa lang, ubos na yung bonus, no? Baka nga December 15 pa lang, wala na. But that is not the joy that Jesus talks about. Christian joy is a joy that comes from presence. That even when we are faced with a cross, we do not totally give in to despair, because God is with us. Even if we do not get what we want, even if things do not happen according to what we plan or according to what we expect, we continue to find reasons for joy because we are not alone. God has not abandoned us, and God continues to be with us. And I hope we find that joy. I hope we find that joy. Because that is the joy that lasts. That is the joy that does not depend on our feelings. That is the joy that does not depend on whether we are okay or not okay. Yan ang dasal natin. Lord, sana po matagpuan natin ang kagalakan na tanging ikaw lamang ang pinagmumulan. Kasi alam namin yan ang kagalakang tunay. Yan ang kagalakang pangmatagalan. Amen.